Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So I decided I wanted to do Vlogmas, and I don't know if it starts like today or if it starts December 1st, but I've like seen a couple people say that it starts today, so I figured, okay, I'll just start it today. We have a precious boy right here, don't we? Yes, we do. Cutie pie. And we have someone down in here. Baby. Aww. Well, welcome to me. So my car actually got broken into last night. I've been dealing with that this morning. It's been a gong show. I have a courtesy car, thank God. I am gonna go pick up my sister from work, and today I'm actually gonna be making a cake for my best friend's engagement party, which is this Saturday. Well, it is going to be a flamingo cake, if you can believe it. Isn't it cute? Oh. Just getting ready to go run some errands. And I love my Bloodstones. I mentioned these in my October favorites, I think. Got a balance to put this on. I love them so much. And I don't think I need this big coat. Put this one on. I don't know what the temperature is. What's the temperature outside? Oh, okay. It's only -4, so it's not like, oh, -2 actually, so it's kind of warm. Thank God, because I do not have command start on this vehicle that I got, this courtesy car. Oh my God. Here's my little rental from Boyd Auto Body and Glass. Here's where my car got broken into. This is just bullshit right here. Ugh, so annoying. So yeah, my car, I brought it to Boyd, which is like a popular auto body place. And they gave me this rental car. Not a rental, it's like a courtesy car. First of all, it's a Toyota Corolla. Nothing against Toyota Corollas. Whatever car you want, whatever, it's all good for you. But like, I'm 6 feet tall, and like, I don't fit in here. Like, here's my knee. Excuse the fur, but like, I don't fit. And this car is filthy. Like, this is disgusting. Again, they didn't have to give me a car, so I'm really grateful that they did. But, bitch, can you clean the car? It's very dirty. I am gonna go to Bulk Barn right now because I need a little, I don't know what it's called. Like a scraper. Just bear with me. I went to Bulk Barn and I got what I was looking for. So this is the Wilton icing smoother. So it's that little metal tool that you use to like smooth the icing. Usually I'll just use like a piece of thick plastic or like something from like a PR box that I've received. But I thought, since I'm doing like a tall cake, I thought I should actually buy one of these, and like I needed this badly. So badly. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm grabbing my sister from her work now, and I think I'm gonna go in and check it out. Here we got all these nice little goodies. Look at all this nice stuff. They make this all here, isn't that neat? Got a TLT. I love it in here. It's like a cute little grocery store. And they have like home stuff too, which is so cute. I'm a little early, so I'm just gonna wait here for her. Oh my God, there's a dog. Hello, puppy. Oh my God, so cute. You don't think that's a good idea?
I think it's a great idea.
I do. So many things that are 50% off. What? I really want.
I'm cheap. Kind of cheap.
You're cheap.
You wanna buy?
Yeah. Oh God, yes. Just a $5 chocolate bar.
Fuck, their window's shattered too. Their house window. That lady looks like she's been through trying times. Holy shit.
Okay, show them the ghetto Marina.
Oh my God. It doesn't look as bad as it actually is. This is actually the second poorest neighborhood in Canada. Which is like pretty fucking, that's like pretty bad. In all of Canada. That's what you're looking at right now. Yeah. Second poorest.
And then we have nice buildings, just like,
and then we have our
overpriced, expensive luxury buildings in the middle
luxury
of the ghetto.
condos, middle of the ghetto.
Yeah.
Super weird. But that's Winnipeg for you. You literally go one street. Oh yeah, also people like to shoot up right here. That's where they like to do it. It's nice. At one moment, you're in like this fancy upscale neighborhood, and then you go one block or turn a corner, and suddenly you're like, am I in a war zone?
You just like tilt your head 45 degrees.
Like, is this suddenly like wow, whoa, suddenly in the slums? And it's just, I don't know, it's really crazy how it works here.
It is crazy.
It's really weird.
It's the donut. I could go for a donut.
Fuck, let's go get one.
Now it's probably my favorite part of the day, because now I'm going to be decorating my cake, which I'm so stoked for. So I just dug it out of the fridge. This is a 6-inch cake. I did 4 tiers, and now I'm going to be using my new little fancy tool I got here just to actually frost the sides of it. Keep in mind, I am not a professional. I'm just someone who likes to make cakes, okay? All right, there's the buttercream on. I'm not gonna worry too much about, like, I can kind of see like kind of some of the layers in here, but I'm not gonna worry about that, I don't think, because it's just gonna be covered anyway. So I think it's fine, it's fine. Now I'm gonna make like the neck and the beak for this little flamingo cake, and I just picked up this little box of fondant. It was like, I don't know, $5 or something. So I got a little thing, and then I'm just gonna like kind of sculpt it around this straw and then stick that in the cake. I think that's gonna work best. So I got white, and I'm just going to dye it, like a little bit of it, pink and black. That's what I'm gonna do. Pretty nice color on this. It's like pretty similar to the actual frosting. It might be like a shade darker. That's fine. The air will get to it. It'll dry out a bit. It's fine. Okay, so we're just gonna go with it. And my idea was just to wrap it around this straw. I guess I have to give a little bit of room for the beak. I mean, I saw people do this with like chocolate and like design it, but they all looked kind of messy, and I just thought like doing it this way might be easiest. Oh my god, it looks so bad. Flamingo. Yeah, just kind of like up and then around. No one's gonna be eating this, so it doesn't really need to be anything particularly beautiful. Just trying to smooth it out. Demonetized. What you doing, boy? Are you being cutie? Boy, are you being cutie? Oh my god, he's such a model. Like, what are you doing? Boy! 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 So we got the cake here. These are like the little feathers, which I'm going to be placing all on it everywhere. And I think I'm gonna pipe a border around the edge just so it looks finished down there, I suppose. In this bag, I have the rest of my buttercream and then an 18 tip, just kind of like a, excuse me, excuse me, excuse you. I have a chair here because it's easier this way. So I think I'm just gonna go to town on this and just pipe a border. Always do a little test. This is just like a little star. I mean, I guess I could make it bigger, but I don't want it to be too much. There we go, little border. Now, I think I want this to be the front. You guys, I have literally no idea how I should like arrange these on here. Like, I have no idea. I think I'm just gonna have to wing it. Wing it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm too much. I'm too much. I'm just gonna pipe some buttercream on and stick her on. Stick it there. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, I haven't applied all of them on, but I just wanted to give you like an update of what's happening. Also, I held on to this one for too long and I melted it, but I mean, whatever. Oh, of course you're not gonna focus. For sure. Anyway, it looks so cute. I think I'm gonna like finish this front part, and I think I might just leave the butt open. I might do a couple, but I might just leave that open because it's the back. I'm sorry, my dishwasher is so loud. I haven't completely finished the cake yet, but I'm gonna put the rest of these little doodads on the top, I think, along with the actual bird neck. So I think I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, I have a lot to do tomorrow. I'm doing a short film on Saturday morning before the engagement party. So I'm probably gonna bring you guys along for that, so you guys will get to be able to see like me kind of in action. I'm doing, you know, I'll talk about it in tomorrow's vlog. Anyway, that was day one. I really didn't do much, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.